Hello coders, OMKAR ADAGALE this side. Welcome to the whole new series of coding round question which will cover all the problems from basic to advanced level under one roof. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get our upcoming video update. So let's begin. So as you can see here, I have one question for you guys. This question was asked in Tata Technology CDAC placement coding round in 2023 batch. So the question is, write a code for returning minimum distance from a perfect square to given number. I am going to explain the question. Suppose here the let's take an example n equal to 28. So here the perfect square nearer to the 28 is 25. So we have to send answer is 28 minus 25 equal to 3, means we have to return 3 from function. Now as you can see here I have write an code for getting a number from user here and calling the function which is minimum distance and which is taking n as an integer, and I am going to simply print that answer. Here we have to write our code inside the minimum distance intn function, so we can write our code from here. Now as you can see I am going to give you an example, means I am going to explain you code of above question. So here I am taking an integer I equal to 1. I am writing a for loop which is which having I from I equal to 1 and I less than n, and simply I am going to increment I. Here I have to add one condition. If suppose I square is greater than that number, then we have to break our loop. Here if our condition satisfied, then we will get out of the loop, and here we get our integer value I, which is nearer to the number. So here I am writing two integers, integer a which is in which I am taking n minus I minus 1 into I minus 1, and integer b which is I into I minus n. If a is less than b, then return a, else return b. So here I am going to explain above code once again. Here we have taken integer I1, means we are starting our loop from 1 up to n. If our value is 28, let's suppose int n is equal to 28, our loop will break on number 6, where 6 into 6, 36 is greater than 28, and we will get I as a 6, and here we can get n minus I minus 1 means 5, means here we have get 5 square, means here 28 minus 5 square 25. Here we are getting a as a 3, and b means I square means 6 square minus 28, means 36 minus 28 as 8, and here we are checking which is lower. Here a is less than b, means 3 is less than b, so we have written here a means 3, and if the condition not satisfied, then we have to return 6, but condition is satisfied and we have returned a as a 3. So let's check our code if it is working or not. So enter a number, let's take an example 28, and I am pressing enter. So answer is 3. As I explained here, 28 is nearer to the 25 and the minimum distance is 3. So code is working I am going to take another example. Suppose I am taking perfect square now. Here 25. So answer is 0, as 25 is a perfect square and distance between perfect square to that number is 0. So code is working absolutely right. So guys, don't worry about the code. You can get it from our GitHub link that I am sharing in description. Make sure to follow and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.